Hello, it's Lady. Just kidding.
I farted.
Lady farted.
Actually, that one was you.
If Bron started watching this, you are stupid.
How dare you? Alexi just said that Bronson was stupid.
His videos are.
Where if his mom saw this?
I'm just kidding. Lady!
Okay, that one was me.
If you're watching this, Lady just farted.
So farting is my thing.
Oh, you farted into your own mouth. That's impossible. Ow! How dare you?
I can burp louder than you.
I dare you do it.
Okay, as soon as I finish my trail mix. Is that all you got?
Why, is this just going to turn into a burp contest?
Mm-hmm.
I can't even see your face. They don't know who they are. Okay.
Oh, hold on.
I burped louder than you.
You're embarrassed because that.
Lady.
You're the one.
All of a sudden, fart comes out of your mouth now.
You're the one who farted.
Lady. I'm just kidding. Oh, okay.
I feel like farting right now. I made that noise.
Ow.
Be quiet.
Hey. Look, I had to puke that time.
If I keep burping, I'm gonna fart. Oh, that trail mix really did mess with my stomach.
I know. Wow. Oh. Why are you farting so much?
The trail mix.
I don't fart, I burp. Maybe fast. Okay.
There was I think I gotta go poop now. Oh, wait, did I just say that on video camera? Here we go, even on video camera. Sorry, folks. Sorry.
I'll take care of it while you go to the bathroom.
No,
I won't end it.
I don't really have to go poop. I was just saying that.
You smell like poop.
No.
I farted too much.
Duh. You know how my farts are.
My brothers are worse. My brothers are worse. Literally,
Ew,
they're
that
worse.
tasted like I puked.
It just takes it out. I'm sitting over here now because you farted in your room.
At least I get the blanket.
Maybe suffice your face. I dare you.
Bye-bye.